Today we are opening Pixel Buds A series. This is just a little unboxing ceremony. So the boxing is quite compact. Looks good as well. It is apparently adaptable with Bluetooth 4.0 device features. Pretty much it's very good to look at. Let me just open it. We got it in one of these sales at Flipkart for about just under 5,000 after all offers and discounts being done, and say somewhere around $60 ish. One of the features that's quite distinctive, or rather not distinctive in a sense, is it doesn't have an active noise cancellation. Probably launched around a year back, almost June 2021 ish. Coming to the look and feel of the box itself, is quite handy, I would say. The color of what we bought is clearly white, and it is white. So let me open the wrapping around it. It probably fits perfectly enough in a fist. Let me open that. There seems to be a charger point here. So that's opened up. It's sleek, it's compact, fits perfectly in one's fist for an average Indian size. Obviously it lights up some kind of a light when you just try to open it. Probably there's an indicative of battery as well once you open up. Maybe it's less battery as of now. Once you probably charge in for plugging here, it might turn up into a green light. Maybe the white light probably sort of indicates it's active. Coming into looking inside what it is, so it has two slots for each, for left and right here. Probably designed as a budget version of the main Google Buds series. Looks well, quite adapted to the ears. So this is how it looks. Let me turn it up a bit, rotate it up a bit. So speaking of the design of the earbuds itself, I think it has a supporting fin over here a little bit, both on the right and the left ones. Just to show how it looks like is this. This is where your earplugs go, and probably a fin so that it fits perfectly to both of your ears. Coming to the hold, as I said, it's quite compact to hold in your hand, but it is kind of slimy, probably slips a bit. You might have seen once I'm unboxing or unwrapping it, it slipped for a second. So that's one thing that I might not find it very handy, or rather this is something that I need to probably pay an attention to. This is where the charging point, as I said. Now coming in the box, and probably there is apparently a charger. Let's see that. So this is a charger it comes with. Quite of a good length, I suppose. Just not opening that yet. I was thinking of doing a little comparison with OnePlus, what I had, or rather I use it till now as earlier. I pretty much like the OnePlus design only for the fact that it doesn't slip. Even though it is compact as well, it doesn't slip. But this you might have to be a little careful if you're not a user who really pay attention. It might be slightly tricky to handle this. And according to the features per se, it says it connects with your Google Home and all smart devices all across. Obviously you can see more on these details on the Google Pixel series A series website itself. So that's just a final comparison between OnePlus and the Google Pixel A series. But so have a nice day. Bye.